Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Kangaroo Kids Preschool Graduation Ceremony 2014. My name is Aisha, and I am going to be your host for today. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Hussein Hanif, Deputy Minister of Education, wife of High Commissioner for Sri Lanka and the Republic of Maldives, Madam Dias, Dr. Manik, Managing Committee Member of Islanders Education, dear Principal, teachers, parents, and all our graduates. Today is the day we begin to learn to look through the eyes of others to find out and experience what the world is like for them. It is also the day we grow bigger than our differences and offer to everyone, regardless of historical rights and wrongs, an outstretched hand. I would like to extend a gracious and inclusive welcome to all of you. This grand ceremony will now commence by the procession of our graduates and their teachers. Please welcome our little graduates with a big round of applause. SKG 1, Mariam Sharif. Abdul Rahman. SKG 3, Aishat Ahmad. SKG 4, Fatmat Lifsha. And SKG 5, Aisha Trishana. Welcome, dear graduates. Dear Chief Guest, Mr. Hussain Hanif, Madam Dias, and Dr. Manik, thank you for joining us. We are honored to have you with us this morning. We would like to present you with a bouquet, which will be handed over to you by Zoya from JKG 8. Well, now our ceremony will begin by the recitation of Holy Quran by Anna from JKG 10.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا صدق الله العظيم.
Thank you, Anna. Let us now rise for the school song.
I love kangaroo kids, it's the happiest place I'll be. They show me frogs and turtles and things and teach me how to smile. They learn me big important words and tell me green from white. I love kangaroo kids, it's the happiest place I'll be.
My teachers really love me. They make me feel so cool. So every day I wake up and yell, Mama, I want to go to school.
I love kangaroo kids, it's the happiest place I'll be. And one day, years and miles from now, I remember all these things. Yes, when I grow to be someone, I'll still be proud to say, I love kangaroo kids, I love kangaroo kids, I love kangaroo kids, I love kangaroo kids. Yeah! I love kangaroo kids, it's the happiest place I'll be. They show me frogs and turtles and things and teach me how to smile. They learn me big important words and tell me green from white.
Now, I would like to call upon our lead teacher of SKG, Ms. Nilanthi Pereira, to come on to the stage to share with us the achievements of our students.
Good morning, honors guests. I welcome Madam Dias, the wife of the Sri Lankan High Commissioner to the Maldives, Deputy Minister of Education, Mr. Hussain Hanif, Chairman of Islanders Education, Mr. Abdul Rashid, Dr. Manik, Managing Committee Member of Islanders Group, Mrs. Mushira Rashid, Mrs. Meenal Bakshi, Principal of Kangaroo Kids. Welcome to the graduation ceremony of 2014. I would like to give you a brief description of how the SKG students had fun while learning in the preschool. Maths learning is focused on counting, number recognition, and one-to-one correspondence. We help students practice with fun and age-appropriate techniques that will make exploring these maths milestones as easy as 1, 2, 3. We in Kangaroo Kids follow different themes each month, such as profession, countries of the world, and festivals and celebrations, to name a few. As students are introduced to these concepts, field trips and special days are organized related to the themes, and the students get first-hand knowledge as they are able to witness all that they have learned. Concepts provide an efficient way of organizing experience. However, concepts do more than organize information efficiency in memory. They also serve an important function for a range of cognitive tasks, including identifying objects in the world, forming analogies, making inferences that extend knowledge beyond what is already known, and conveying core elements of theory. Many of these tasks are central to school performance, so concepts can be taught of the building blocks to these more complex skills. Today, as we pay tribute to the young ladies and gentlemen of tomorrow, we know that they have started their remarkable journey towards achieving this goal. This year has seen them grow and develop exceptionally. They have remained eager and enthusiastic as they have grown in so many ways. Our thanks and appreciation to all the teachers and the parents for the fantastic role that you have already played to facilitate this process. You are all very special people today, right now. As you sit here in front of us, you have all worked very hard to learn more every day. You have played hard, you have made new friends, and tried to be good friends too. Well done, and congratulations to all the graduating students today. Our young children will move into a new year, a year with new challenges to deal with. As they move into their respective tomorrows, so bright with goals already achieved and more dreams still to aspire to, we say to them, enjoy being 4 today with all your heart and soul, and worry less about preparing to be 5. Work hard, play straight, and may you stay in your spirit and soul, forever young. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Nilanti. And now I kindly invite our chief guest, Mr. Hussain Hanif, Deputy Minister of Education, to come to the stage and share a few words with our graduates. Mr. Hussain Hanif.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Principal Izzetari wadanai imha befulun adi me haflage imme sharaf verin tutukudin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ade mi haflaga algonda eche dannawalan libunu kamattaka mang Allah hazrata pura shukur dannaw mi haflaga algonda divehi bahun muhatab kollam beenum vi magandu sababaki mikudinnaki wara tuttu kudin kama vefa mikudinna engeni Irushad waraboda engeni algon menge madari bahunkama bative algon gastu kuri diyehi bahun algon ge wahaka kuriya genda huriya kodin kine rangalu ta huriya kodin rangalu ade eve shakenne mikala bodu hafla eki warabes ginaguna masekketake eki farayattakum kuravvamun gendawakamuge warugada hekke eyodan wana fadan bedenwerin misaga tibbe ma eku algondu hama dannawadam beenum mi umuru furayeki emme muhimmu umuru fura school mahaolegga school daan astu tayyar kura umuru furayeki mi umuru fura mi dannawadan ule wahakeki mikudinna tartibun kankan kuran miharu dasnu kodde vijiya algonmen ge darinna mikudinna eki marhala tahuga den anna marhala tahuga waran udaguwane kankan daskodde mi marhalaga kudinna daskore ifuri kanta tahu macha binako muli diriulumuge kanta binae fonnan එහෙම ආලුණුගේ වරබඩු ආදේහේ හුරියා බෙදෙන් වෙරින්න ආලුණු දන්නවාදම් බේනු මිකුදින්න ඉස්ලාමී රිවේති ඔසූලුන් කංකන් දස්කොද්දි එකුදින්ගේ කියවුම මගු ෆහිවා අදි රංගලු දිරියුළුමක මගු ෆහිවා කාන්තත්තකේ මේ උමරු ෆරාග දස්කොද්දේ මාහෙගාෂ එංගිරේසි බහුන් කියවෑදින් කම්ගා වීනම වෙස් ආල්ගොන්මෙන් ගේතරේක මාහවලුග ගේ තෙරේග ආමුකො දිවෙහි බහුම් මුආමලයක් කරන්නේ එහෙම ඉරුෂාද් දෙවයිරු ඒ ඉරුෂාද් තක තයාර කුර්බටක වර බඩ බෙදෙන වෙරින් දුරාදා මසෙක් එක්කගෙන උනේ ආල්ගොන් මෙන්නක මිකුදින් තයාරේ නොකරවෙන් අබදුස් මේ දෙකෙවෙනි රංගල නතිජායේ හාසිල් කරන් බේනුවා වාහක ආල්මෙන් එම්මෙන් වෙස් මිදක්කනේ නතිජා රංගල කරන් බේනුවා වාහක හැම එකේනේ නතිජායේ නෝන් දිරියුළුමුග ඔන්නානේකි දිරියුළුමකි ති හුරිහා බේෆුන්න වෙස් ඉංගවඩා නෝන ෆදාන් දිරියුළුමුග එම්ම හැකංකන් තර්තිබ් කරන් එගුම් එහෙම වෙගෙන්ත ති හුරිහා බේෆුන් වර ඉල්මි බේෆුලුම් බෙදෙන් වෙරින් ගොතුක තිබ්බවීම අල්ගොන් විවාහක ඊතර තෆ්සීල් කොල්ලම් බේනුම් බි එකුදින්න මිහාරු දස්නු කොද්දෙවුණු එච්චේ තර්තිබුන් කංකං දස්කො නුදෙවිජ්ජ කමුග වඤ්ඤා දෙන් හුරි මර්හලාතකුග අල්ගොන් මෙන් කිතම මසකේ කුරියස් උඳ ගුතක කුර්මතිවාන් එහෙම් වීම මේ අල්ගොන් මෙන් විස්නන් ජෙහේ වරම් මුහිම්මු කමෙක්කම අල්ගොන් දන්නවාද හැම එයා ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂා සමාවකන් දින්කමුගා වීනම වෙස් අල්ගොන් මෙන්නකී ඉස්ලාමුන්කම වීතිවේ මුස්ලිමුන්කම වීතිවේ දීනී කංකම සමාවකන් දිනුමකී එකුජ්ජාගේ කුරිමගන් එලේ වරබොඩු හේව ෆාලක වාන කීරිතු ගුරුවාන් රංගල කියවන් දස්කොත් දිනුමකී එකුජ්ජාගේ කුරිමගන් එලේ වර රංගලු බිංගල එහෙම කීරිතු ගුරුවාන් රංගල රීදිකො කියවන් දස්කුරුමකී ඒ මින් කොම්මෙ කුජ්ජක වෙස් බෙදෙනගේ වෙරියගේ හයිසියතුම් වොද්දෙබ් වංජේකම් ඒ නූනි අල්ගොන් මෙන් මිකුදින් දිරියුළුමග මෑදාන නුකුන්නයිරු මිකුදින්ගේ දරින්න කුරියන් ඔය ජීල් තක මිකම් ෆෝරකො දිනුමකී උඳකුකමක බාන්න තෆාත් උඳකුලා කුරිමති ලාංජෙන් එහෙමම අල්ගොන් මිය දන්නවාදන් බේනුම්වා වාහකේකි මා දිගු වාහකේනු මා වර කුරුකො අල් දන්නවාදන් බේනුම්වනි mi umur furayeki waram muhim umur furayeke tibe fulun ekudinge mustaqbal battan kuravwan beenum fulwa gotaka mi umur furaga battan kurvene algonge iltimasaki rangalu tartibun kankan dasko dige mikudin eki marhalata kadatu puranakam tibe fulunge furihama irshada ekko kankan tartibun kankan dasko debanakam algon wahaka ma dige nokuranan ehem befulum wes tibbe ma eku algon ke duaeki algon men emmen